Hi, sleepy baby. Do you want to try some eggs? What do you think? What do you think? A little bit hard to chew. Oops. Mmm. Delicious. Mmm. You want some more? Okay. Kiwi. Kiva. You guys are so tired. You got up too early. Want to try some eggs? Okay, here, we'll put on your tray. You want to do it yourself? Yeah. Oh, you want to do it. Oh, but you dropped it. Should we try again? Try some more? You want it? You do it. Oh man, where'd it go? Here. Oh gosh. Should Elisa try another piece? It's okay? Give you want to try some eggs?